morning everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. So guys, for today's video, maulan na umaga. Nakakatamad, nakaka-boring. May electric nga kami guys, wala namang internet. So boring! Walang magawa kundi ito nakatunganga. Ang problema ngayon guys, hindi namin alam kung kailan titigil ang ulan. Is my breakfast, mais. Wow, mais. Oh, maliit siya pero malaman. Let's eat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Guys, hindi pa huli ang lahat, pwede pa akong matuto. So, tag-ulan, walang ibang magawa, kundi ganito na lang, mag-practice na lang ako na mag-piano. Ang hirap. You shine. You shine. I think this is nice. I like this color. I like the purple one and this one. So cute. All cute. So I go for this color. Purple.